Namaste and a very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
First of all, I would like to thank my respected teacher, Director Ghulam Nabi sir and dear Sangeeta ma'am and my dear friends. I am Ruby Kumari and I am learning from Global Spoken English from Kopagan branch in Morning West. Now I am going to speak about topic on women empowerment. When a child girl, all people always say that an Indian woman, when she is young, she is dependent on her father. And when she is married, she is dependent on her husband. And when she is old, she is dependent on her son. But I don't want to be like that. I want to have independence. I want to have master of your destiny. And the only way you can do that is if you are educated, you can stand on your own two feet. Empowerment of women leads to develop of a good family, good society, and ultimately a good nation. When a woman is happy, the family is happy. When the family is happy, the society is happy. When the society is happy, the nation is happy. And when the nation is happy, it will be great peace in country. Behind every successful man, there is a woman. Behind every unsuccessful man, there are two women. But behind every successful woman, there is a progressive man. It's either a father, it's a brother, it's a husband, but he is always progressive. I want to speak some line in Hindi. असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो. असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो. क्या कमी रह गई थी देखो और सुधार करो. जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन सब त्यागो तुम. जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन सब त्यागो तुम. संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़ मत भागो तुम. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती और कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती.